Okay. So thermometry. So क्या होता है इसमें thermometry में? So first, what is meant by heat? Heat is what here? It is the form of energy, right? Measured. SI unit is joule. CGS unit is calorie. Okay. 1 calorie, 4.2 joule. Okay. Next, temperature. So, heat is measured. Heat is measured by temperature. Heat is measured by temperature. And the temperature is given by thermometers. Thermometers. Okay. The scale of thermometer are Celsius, Fahrenheit, okay, Kelvin, and Riemann. Okay. So, right?
Yes.
The construction of scale is scale minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Scale minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point by minus lower fixed point. Okay, this is the scale. So be serious. Revision में अच्छा पढ़ो. Revision will lift you to the perfect level. Okay? जो सिलेबस उधर इधर हुए एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लेंगे, अच्छा करेंगे. रिवीजन नेग्लेक्ट नहीं करना. समझ गए ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सोरा. Chalo. Now scale. Suppose Celsius minus, what is the lower fixed point in Celsius? 0 degree Celsius. by upper fixed point is 100 minus. Okay. And what about the Fahrenheit? Follow by आपको याद है
32. 32.
by
180.
212 minus 32, correct? Kelvin का क्या है? K minus
273 by 273 minus.
correct? Next Reimer. Reimer बोलो.
R minus 0 by 80 minus.
ठीक है? D by 100 F minus 32, correct? K minus 273, correct?
Yes, sir.
आपको मेरे स्टडी और रहता ना नहीं स्टडी और
टाइम टेबल नहीं दिया सर।
टाइम टेबल नहीं है सर, बट आप ले सकते हैं।
देखेंगे बट वीकली 2 क्लासेस एक्स्ट्रा क्लास कंपलसरी होते हैं.
हाँ सर, ले सकते हैं।
में नेग्लेक्ट नहीं करना. रिवीजन ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट. इट विल टेक यू टू डायरेक्टली मेडिसिन. समझ गया ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
को नेग्लेक्ट मत करना. मैं तो चला बहुत परेशान हो गया बाद में. नाउ क्या व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय लोअर फिक्स्ड पॉइंट? हाँ, it is the temperature, it is the melting point of ice, and the upper fixed point is, it is the boiling point of water, correct? Sai, ఏముందంటే పెట్టి ప్రసాదం పెట్టాడు తీసుకొస్తున్నారు. So lower fixed point is, it is the melting point of ice. Upper fixed point, it is the boiling point of water. Okay, remember. Next, suppose now first between Celsius and Fahrenheit, C by 100 F minus 32 by 180. So 2 9s are 2 5s are C by 5 F minus 32 by 9, correct? Okay, C equals to F by 9 into 5 by 9 into F minus 32, 5 by 9F minus 160 by 9, Y equal to MX plus C. So
MX minus C, no sir.
This is the graph formula. Now you compare, correct? So by comparison, what you will get slope? 5/9. And sec माइनस रिवीजन में आपको कुछ समझ में ना आया तो पूछो, समझ गया ना? रिवीजन ओनली इंपॉर्टेंट, रिवीजन में ठीक से नहीं पकड़े तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता. हाँ, this is.
Explain how did you get that?
Which one? This one? I multiplied. ये 5 इधर आ गया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई.
For the equation.
ये वाला, ये इक्वेशन कोसा
Y is equals to mx, that one.
y equal to mx plus c is this is the standard equation in maths. No, graphs में y equal to mx, y equal to mx, y equal to mx plus c, x by a plus y by b equal to 1.
Okay, so
मैथमेटिक्स है, ग्राफ्स है. ओके, देखो m equal to 5/9, c equal to 1, c प्लेस में a है. नाउ देखो, this is on y-axis. What is there? Celsius. On x-axis, what is there? Fahrenheit. Okay, what is the slope? 5/9. What is the intercept? Minus 160/9. Yes. Why? If you extend this, where is the intercept? Minus 160/9.
sir, the board is blurred. Sir.
बोर्ड ब्लर है.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा कौन सा होता है? सुबह सुबह फर्स्ट पीरियड हो लो.
Yeah, but quiet words are not visible.
हाँ. So, what is the intercept on y-axis? Intercept on y-axis, how much? This c is the intercept on y-axis. Remember, c is the intercept on y-axis. Minus 160/9. Yeah. And slope of this is how much? What is the slope? 5/9. So this is the theta. Okay. And tan theta is equal to, slope is how much? See, this is the tan theta. This is the intercept on y-axis. समझ गया ना? So,
Yes.
That is m is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is 5/9. Slope. We push everything. Don't neglect it. Next, we can also draw. This is okay. Next, c/5 equal to f minus 32/9. No. Similarly, f minus 32/9 is equal to c/5. No. Same ulta, correct? F minus 32 equal to 9/5 into c. F equal to क्या?
9/5 c.
9/5 c plus
Plus 32.
32. है ना बेटा? Now this is y equals to mx plus c. Correct? What is the slope? M equal to tan theta. Tan theta is 9/5. Here slope is 5/9. देखा? And here intercept on y-axis what? Intercept on y-axis 32. Here intercept, C means intercept on y-axis. Here minus 160/9. देखो,
Sir, once can you switch off and on the camera, sir?
एक बार स्विच ऑफ करके ऑन करो.
Sorry, sir.
स्विच ऑफ करके ऑन करता हूँ. So slope is 9/5. Intercept on y-axis 32. So कैसा ग्राफ कैसा होता? चल इसको रोको. Now it is positive intercept. See, C is plus, no? C is plus means like this graph. So intercept is positive y-axis. So on y-axis what? Fahrenheit. On x-axis what? Celsius. This is Celsius. So what about this graph then? What is the slope? Tan theta, this theta. M equal tan theta equal to this tan theta, 9/5. Intercept on y-axis 32. This is 32. Right? Okay, beta.
Yes.
Similarly, what is the conversion between Celsius and Kelvin? कैसा? C by 100 K minus 273 by 100. आप क्या करना आज? व्हाट इज योर ड्यूटी टुडे? थर्मोमेट्री में जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, हाँ, समझ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
थर्मोमेट्री में जो प्रॉब्लम्स है आप करके, सर हमारे को ये नया आया, कल बताना. Every alternate day I try to take extra class. Every alternate day, because your strength is more, so I have to focus little more. Okay. So because you are slow in physics, थोड़ा बढ़ाना मैं, I have to increase my intensity. ये sufficient नहीं होता. समझ गया ना? हाँ. So 100. So C equal to K minus 273. K equal क्या होता बेटा? K equal to C plus 273. Correct? K means Kelvin. मालूम है?
Yes.
Kelvin. Suppose you got a C equal to 27 degrees Celsius. What is the Kelvin? So 27 plus 273. 300 Kelvin ऐसा. समझ गया ना?
Yes.
So graph कैसा होता? Suppose I want the graph. C equal K minus 273. देखो कैसा कैसा ड्रॉ करना है. Y equal to mx plus c, the standard equation. So in the place of m here 1, x is what? Kelvin. C is how much? Minus 273. Y is c. You are drawing the graph between Celsius and what? X is what? Kelvin. This is Kelvin. Slope is how much? M equal to 1. So what is the slope? M equal to tan theta equal to 1. That means indirectly theta कितना?
45.
45. And C is minus 273. कैसा रहता? Why it has to make intercept on negative y axis? Why? C equal to negative है ना? So minus 273 यहाँ है. समझ गया ना? ऐसा. So this angle is theta. Right? Now problem sum 100 for that. And a part D पुस्तकम दा चुरा. हाँ. अब कर सकते हैं. Problem मैं करूँ.
We will do so.
Will do and ask you that.
Yes, I will do by myself.
हाँ.
खुद से करते सब.
Part मैं तो part C हाँ. Book पकड़. Be practical now. कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ना. Book का है. चलो. हाँ. ठीक है. Now you have got. Next is thermometers. So thermometers we have got A. What is that? Gas thermometer. First, liquid thermometers. Liquid thermometers. Inside the liquid thermometer we use what? Mercury
Mercury.
or
Gallium.
alcohol. ये दोनों. Okay. Next we have got gas thermometers. In this we use using Boyle's law, using gas laws. अभी बताते हैं. See, solid thermometers. Solid बोले तो feel different. Resistance thermometer. नहीं?
Platinum.
Resistance thermometers. Next, और क्या है? Triple point thermometer. नहीं?
हाँ.
So how many types of thermometers you are having? Four. Four types of thermometers.
So what did you write next to gas thermometer?
हाँ बोलो, कुछ बोल रहे थे?
So what is written in the bracket of gas thermometer?
gas, using gas law, Boyle's law, Charles law, मालूम है ना?
Yes, sir.
इसमें भी आपको प्रॉब्लम दिखा है तो आपको क्या होते है, शुरू करते हैं आज ही, नहीं तो पूरा टाइम बर्बाद करती है। ये भी नहीं है। हाँ, सो पार्ट डी कर सकते हैं ना आप? नहीं प्रॉब्लम,
प्रॉब्लम्स करो
वही मेरे को मालूम है। I know you are psychologist.
स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम करते थोड़ा
आपको आइडिया देना फर्स्ट। Here, देखो, now general principle of thermometers, What is the general principle of thermometer? Remember, temperature equal to xt minus x0 by x100 minus x0 into 100. This you remember, okay? For example, first for liquid thermometer, क्या लिखते हैं? T equal to length of the liquid column at T degree, length of liquid column at 0 degree by length of the liquid column at 100 minus length of the liquid column at 0 into 100. ఏమన్నా ప్యాకెట్లు అయిపోయినాయి అవి?
అదే ఇంత షేర్ ఉన్నా కదా, లేదు తీసేది మీరు ఏదో తిన.
సరే ఒకటి T. So temperature using liquid thermometer. That means liquid thermometer may use mercury thermometer and alcohol thermometer. समझ गए ना? Either mercury or alcohol. समझ गए ना? So this is height of the. Suppose you want to measure what is the temperature. The temperature using a liquid thermometer formula is called height of the liquid column at some temperature. You will give what is height of the liquid column at 0 by height of liquid column at 0, 100 minus at 0 into 100. So this is the formula for liquid thermometer. Please remember, note कर लीजिए. Okay? What is that? What is the basic principle of this? Basic principle is, as temperature increases, volume of liquid, what happens? Increases. So this is the principle of liquid thermometer. This is a formula in liquid thermometer. As temperature बढ़े तो क्या होता? Volume of liquid increase होता, decrease होता?
Increases.
Increase होता. That is the basic principle. On that basis, it's constructed. समझ गए ना? Next we have got gas thermometer. For gas thermometer, जो मैं लिखा वही लिखना, वही पढ़ना. जो theory bits है, theory bits I'll write on a paper, I'll send to you, okay? वही theory bits आता आपको एग्जाम में, छोड़ो मत. Gas thermometer. First, what is that? A. At constant volume, pressure directly proportional to absolute temperature. This is gas law. मालूम है ये?
Yes, sir.
Constant volume directly proportional to absolute. A basis में क्या फार्मूला बने? T equal to temperature equal to pressure at T degree minus pressure at 0 by pressure at 100 minus pressure at 0 into 100. समझ गया ना? This is the formula. They will give the pressures and you have to find out the temperature. This is a ready-made formula. What is the basic on which basis this formula is constructed? At constant volume pressure of the gas directly proportional to absolute temperature. समझ गया ना? Second, at constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. है ना? This is also gas law. What is that? Vt minus V0 by V100 minus V0 into 100. समझ गया ना? That's the formula. Don't neglect it. On this only, ready-made problems will be there. So this is based on gas laws. Okay. After that, these are Charles laws. Charles law, first Charles law, second Charles law. What is the Charles law? At constant pressure, volume directly proportional to absolute temperature. First one. At constant volume, pressure directly proportional to absolute temperature. और क्या होना? Charles law, first Charles law. First Charles law, the second Charles law. But in chemistry, you put Charles first law is called some other Gay-Lussac's law, or something they will call. But we'll call first Charles law, second Charles law in physics. Okay. Next is this is about the gas thermometer. Next comes to for resistance thermometer. What is the resistance thermometer? T equal direct formula RT minus R0 by R100 minus R0 into 100. Okay. So resistant thermometer based upon what is the principle?
Temperature increases, resistance increases.
As temperature increases, resistance
Increase.
This is a principle. On this principle, this formula is given. Okay. Principal formula. जो माइल के वही पढ़ना, ज़्यादा हुशारी मत करना. 3 bits I'll supply. I'll write on a paper. I'll post to you. वही 3 bits आप ठीक से पढ़ना. समझ गया ना?
Yes.
I'm taking you to direct medicine now. Direct exam, NEET exam, लेके जा रहे. Unnecessary things I'll remove it. Next, triple point for triple point thermometer. What is a triple point thermometer? Do you know triple point beta?
Yes, sir.
Exist.
Yes.
Okay. So now at triple point, solid, liquid, and gaseous state simultaneously exist. That is called triple point. Right? Solid, liquid. This is the solid. solid, liquid, gas simultaneously exist. So this is the triple point, remember. Okay? Now, what is the basic principle of this is, formula is T in Kelvin equal to 273.16 into X by X TR Kelvin. This is in Kelvin, that's sufficient. So what do you mean like this? For example, देखो. So this is what your first case one is. Temperature in Kelvin is nothing but 273.16. They'll give pressure and pressure at triple point. KS2. Temperature in Kelvin is 273.16. Volume by volume at triple point. Okay? समझ गया ना? Suppose problem, I'll give the एक प्रॉब्लम दिखाऊं मैं?
हाँ
हाँ. आप क्या करो? Do you have a textbook with you, no? पक्का?
Yes, sir.
So,
हाँ. Believe me first. जो मैं बोलता हूँ आप believe करो. समझ गया ना? Like I am telling like hypnotism, okay? Whatever I am telling you, please follow it. देखो, ये textbook है. Textbook examples है. समझ गया ना? देखो examples है. So क्या करो? Examples 12.1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, है ना? Don't read 12.5, 12.10. 12.5, 12.10 टच मत करो. समझ गया ना? बाकी का आप पूरा क्या करो? एग्जाम्पल्स करो. करके क्या करो? हाँ?
एक्सरसाइज
एक्सरसाइज 2 करते हैं, 3 करते हैं, दोनों करते हैं.
दोनों करते हैं.
आप कच्चा मेडिसिन रंग करना बोले तो दोनों करना है ना?
Sir, which examples not to do, sir?
5 and 10.
12.5, 12.5, 12.10 not required. Because that examples 12.5 I'll explain for you, okay? Afterwards. आपको पढ़े तो भी समझ में नहीं आता, टाइम वेस्ट होता. समझ गए ना? टाइम बर्बाद हो जाता. ऐसा टच मत करो. 12.5, 12.10 आप टच मत करो. बाकी का आप करो. For example, I'll solve one problem for you. आप examples compulsory करना. देखो टाइम कितना हो रहा? 9 हो गया?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
9 हो गया?
हाँ सर
9-2, sir. Yes.
हाँ?
9-2 हो रहे सर.
चलो आप स्टार्ट करो. ओके? I'll send जो डाउट्स है आप कल पूछना मेरे से. समझ गया ना? And every
Yes.
alternate day I'll take extra class. It is my oath. Definitely I'll take you to the medical college. समझ गया ना?
Yes.
Okay
Yes.
sir.
Done.
Thank you.
Thank you sir. Bye sir.